Hey friends! So I don't know if you guys know, we had some big news to share on the blog that we're moving. And well, this is our new place. I thought I'd give you guys a little tour. I'm gonna try to just get a little light in here, you guys, as much as I can. It is very cloudy, but we'll work it out. So this is the new entryway. It's a two-story entryway, which is pretty nice. The one thing is we do not have a mudroom. So this entryway is, here's the front door, and you guys, the first thing I checked before I agreed on this house was that I could remove these little stained glass things. And this door definitely getting painted. I'm thinking either gray or black. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, we're definitely painting this door. So again, some nice light coming in from the entry here. And this is the garage. Really nice. It already has some storage. I think we can get both cars in here really nicely. But like I said, you guys, there is no mudroom, right? So I'm gonna have to figure something out in this kind of area, because here's the garage door, and this is the only full wall we kind of have. So I don't know what's going on yet, but let's go this way. So this is the sitting room, like a formal sitting room. We actually haven't had a sitting room or a formal living room in a very long time. So this room will probably be empty for a little bit, but I'm actually looking forward to getting some ideas. And you know, right, just sort of in the same space is the formal dining room, which is separated by this little alcove here. Which I love. And I'm sorry, you guys, if it sounds very echoey. It's just how it is. But back to the entryway. I'm all over the place, you guys. Delandis and the kids are waiting for me in the car. I've had the flu. Jaden has the flu. Christmas is in, today's Wednesday. No, today's Thursday. So Christmas is in like 4 days. I've not had Christmas gifts. I've been sick. It's a mess, you guys. I am a literal definition of a hot mess. But so what I was thinking, since this is the garage door right here, there's two closets here. I'll move back a little bit. Side by side, I'm thinking we're gonna work out a mudroom situation in one of these closets. There's this closet here, which is a pretty nice size. Even though it has this little door, it's not much behind there. I think it's just so they can get to some wires and things if they need. So I think I'm gonna do hooks in here, maybe like a shoe cubby. I'm kind of hoping one of my IKEA shoe cubbies that's in my current mudroom will fit in here. That's what I'm thinking. The other closet, which is right next to this one, sort of has shelves. So we'll see how this one works out. It has two shelves. So I'm gonna work out a situation here for jackets and book bags and things, but I don't know, you guys. And I'm so sorry it's so dark, y'all. And in here, there's like a powder room. Let me see if I could keep that open. Yeah, so it's just a small powder room in here. What I love really though is how they carried the wood floor throughout. I really love that. And this little pedestal sink is so pretty to me. There's a room in here to maybe put a little something. I'm also looking forward to doing something pretty with this bathroom. Maybe change this mirror. We'll see. And here is the family room. It's really pretty in here, you guys. It's so dark. I wish it wasn't so dark, y'all. I'm sorry. Oh, here, this is a little bit better. So this is the family room. we're probably gonna put the TV right here between these two windows, and we're gonna have the sectional in here, probably the same setup that we have in our current home. I love this fireplace so much better, you guys. The stone they have on here is so pretty versus like the black marble thing we have going on. And this fireplace is actually also a lot smaller than our current one, which I also like. The one thing that I was so hoping to get, you guys, that I didn't get was my white kitchen. But we getting a little lighter, right? It's a lighter color, and the countertops are also a lighter color. So, you know, we can live with that. I can live with it. The kitchen is smaller. So I am going to have to get some of my dishes. I think I have a lot of decorative dishes for when I do my tablescape. So I'm either gonna have to find a place to store them or whatever, we'll see. And we're getting a new fridge, which is not here yet. It's supposed to be here. And sorry, you guys, I thought somebody walked in the house, like I said. And then the kids are waiting in the car for me. We're heading back to Tennessee. We came to just take some measurements while all of us are still sick with the flu. And this is the pantry, same size as the pantry we have now. So I'm cool with it. And like I said, my favorite thing is the fact that they carried the hardwood floor throughout the whole entire first floor. So you can see from right here, you also can see the sitting room or formal living room, whichever one you want to call it, and dining room. And again, the fridge will be right here. Again, not, you know, the things I would have chosen, but I think it's really pretty. I think it would be even prettier if these cabinets were white. I'm gonna work on that. We'll see what I could do about that. But I also love, you can't eat off this, you know, kind of high bar here, but I love that it kind of disguises, you know, if you had dirty dishes, if you're sitting in the family room, you don't have to kind of look at these dirty dishes. So I really love that. And of course, right here is the breakfast area. We'll have our table right here, and there's room for my coffee bar. Thank goodness, because we need coffee. Let's go upstairs. And this is the landing. I don't know what you're supposed to do right here. I actually like this lighting. And even if I didn't, I wouldn't be able to change it. So anyway, I thought this landing area was really cute. I would really love to do a little, I don't know, library situation here. Maybe some bookshelves and a chair. I think that would be so cute. It's kind of hard to capture in video, but this landing area is just quite large. And I'm so happy. One of the things that I wanted was a second floor laundry. Let me see. I don't know where the lights are yet, you guys. There you go. Was a second floor laundry, which we have. I mean, nothing exceptional. I just love that it's on the second floor, you guys. And this is just a water heater, I think. Nothing crazy, in a nice size linen closet. The one we have now is half the size of this, so I am really happy to have a normal size linen closet again. And this is the master. It's actually a really big space. There's 5 windows in here, 3 in a row on this side, 2 on this side. I mean, you guys, I really wish I can get, I don't even know how we're gonna put the TV because it's gonna be so far away from the bed. Yeah, this room, we were really happy with the master bedroom. It's a huge room. I'm not one of those people who need giant rooms, but it's fine. And this is the master bath. Not as upgraded as our current master bathroom. Is a little bit probably more upgraded than this one, But, you know, there's like a garden tub and a separate shower, you know, vanity. I think it's very builder basic in here, but hey, I am not complaining. And the closet is the closet we were happy about. It's about twice the size of the closet we have now, if I walk in now. Um, I'm sorry, you guys. I really hope this video is coming out okay. I'm really rushing because everyone is just ready to go. It was about a 2-hour car ride. I'm still under the weather. Jaden fell asleep in the car, but I know I wouldn't be able to get a chance to do this before everything was moved in. So yeah, definitely lots of good space in here in this closet. So that's the master, and I mean, really nice in here, really big vaulted ceilings, very clean. That's the one thing that drew me to this house. Everything was so fresh and clean. You can tell they cleaned all the carpets, and the paint is actually the paint color we already had at home, which is great. So I do not plan on doing any painting, you guys. And this is going to be my office. This room is huge, you guys. Let's see, I gotta learn the lights. It's funny when you're recording, you don't get the sense of how big things are. But this room is probably the size of our master bedroom now. And it has a nice big closet. It has a separate bathroom, which is really nice. So this will be the office / guest room. So, you know, nice little bathroom with tile, you know, cute little shower curtain. We'll get all this together real cute. Hey y'all. Anyway, I'm really happy about this room. It's nice and bright even without all the blinds being all the way open. And around the corner here, the kids' room, which are on the smaller side than the room they have now, but they do have a Jack and Jill bathroom. I mean, for kids' rooms, they're totally fine. This room is nice and bright, which is exactly what Kayla would want. And this is their bathroom, their Jack and Jill bathroom. Sorry, guys. And that's it. Same tiles, the other bathroom. So that's great. So there's 3 full bathrooms and 4 bedrooms up here. So, and this will be Jaden's room. And the thing is, believe it or not, you guys, Jaden doesn't like a lot of windows. I don't know. He has like this sort of fear of like people coming into his room or something. Like it was a real thing for us. Ooh, that got really dark. Sorry, guys. It was a real thing for him. So again, nothing major in here. The closet is really nice in here though. Lots of storage in here for him. So again, nothing, you know, it's not major, but I do love the fact that they have the Jack and Jill bathroom back here. And again, only 1 window in here, which works for Jaden. He actually picked up that room as his own. So that actually worked for us. And that's it, you guys. That's the new house. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. And I hope the video wasn't too shaky. But I am rushing and I'm holding it with one hand and talking at the same time and everything. But we're, and you know, I like that the windows, we can have them open and still see the kids playing in the backyard, which is kind of a mess with leaves and everything right now. But, you know, everything opens to the back of the house, so the totally fenced in, so the kids are playing, totally cool. I'm so excited to kind of decorate it and get my hands on this. This house just felt good from the moment we walked in, and you know, I look forward to sharing with you guys this journey of thank you guys for taking a peek at the new home with us. well, with me, and I'll see you later. Bye.